How to fix can't see media in a merge node in Fusion in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I'm on the Fusion page and I added an image to the media pool. Add the image, a background node, and a merge node to the composition. If I attach the media in which is my image into the merge node, then attach background to the merge, and attach merge to media out, I can't see my image and I only see the background. The problem is the first node that we attach to a merge node is the background node and the second node is the foreground node. Also, pay attention that the background node is attached by a yellow line, and foreground node is attached by a green line. To fix this problem, detach nodes from merge. First, attach background and then attach media in. You also can attach a node directly to the yellow or green input of the merge node. Instead of detaching and reattaching the nodes, you can just select the merge node and press Ctrl T to quickly switch foreground and background nodes. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.